Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's credit card rewards. For earning these rewards, what you can earn rewards on qualifying purchases such as cashback, miles, or points, and you can check your reward balance online or through Capital One's mobile app. Now, for redeeming these rewards, how you're going to do that is to first log into your account. You can do that online or through the mobile app, and then just click on the rewards section to view your reward balance and redemption options. Now you want to choose how you want to redeem your rewards. That could be as cashback, as a statement, the credit or check. It could be travel bookings or redemptions. It could be gift cards or merchandise, or it could be transferring rewards to airlines or hotel loyalty programs. Now, when it comes to maximizing this reward, you can use your credit cards for daily purchases such as groceries, gas, or dining. That's going to help you to maximize the rewards. You can also take advantage of bonus categories such as 5 times miles on hotels or 3 times cashbacks on dining. You could also use the Capital One rewards more to earn additional rewards on online purchases and stuff. And then you can also refer friends and family to Capital One's credit cards to earn referral rewards. Now, for popular Capital One credit card reward programs, there's Capital One Quicksilver Cash Reward. You're gonna earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchases. There's also Capital One Venture Rewards, where you earn 2 times miles on every purchase and redeem miles for travel purchases. And of course, there's also Capital One Spark Cash Plus, where you're gonna earn 2% cash back on every purchases, and you can redeem cash back for statement credits or checks. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found that useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.